Tonight on the Road Hard Roadhouse, we're putting a power acoustic touchscreen inside my Nissan Titan. Let's get to it. Alright, today I'm using the power acoustik. It's model number PD62 IXB power acoustik. I won it off a raffle. That's what we're using today. Now what you can do to make your life a lot simpler is take off the factory brackets here, which will line up right inside here, and put them on your new unit. I've already done it here on the other side. It fits. Just minus one screw. One bolt there, but it won't matter. I did order this American International wiring harness. It comes with the Titan faceplate or the dash bezel that for the double din, and comes with instructions. Comes with this little piece here to surround the stereo itself. Comes with all the gadgets, mounting kit there if you need the part number. And it looks like the stereo was taken out at some point and put back in or something, just not factory. So let's see what we have to do with that. If you have a Nissan Titan that's got no Bose stereo system or no amp and no subwoofer underneath your seat, this is the kit that you're going to need to buy, 70-7550. And it will hook right up. As you can see here, I just put ends on all these. The directions are right on the back of this right here. It will tell you exactly what to hook to what to hook. So the stereo is pretty well between the stereo directions right up here and this right here. You should be able to hook them right up. Okay, showing you the home screen here. It's got radio function, disc function for DVD and CDs and all that type of stuff. It's a DVD. Bluetooth, it literally grabs you by it literally gets your Bluetooth off your phone, so if you keep your Bluetooth on you can make calls and all sorts of stuff. I don't have the Sirius XM. I haven't tried the SD card or the AV1 or the AV2, but it does have functions as far as sound display, radio, DVD. So I think it works for me. I'll do a setup on it once I'm done. Once I'm done trying it out, see how well it works. again, the DVD. Not too bad. I'll do a review of it after I've had it in here working for a month. I do like the phone setup where I can actually call and talk to people through the Bluetooth. Thank you for watching, subscribing, and commenting down below. And as I said, this was a power acoustic that I won off of raffle. So I'm going to do a review on it in a few months, see how it goes. So far, it's okay. I like it so far. And haven't got the backup camera installed yet on it, but I will do that soon and post a video out for it. So, as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her away.